large caps there as well. I've got some more of them somewhere, to be fair, as well. But yeah, subscriber. Who was this subscriber? There's a chat asked me something. Yes, one of you subscribers, can't remember your name, I do apologise, but you're on about building a large book converter. Well, check them out. That or that. I mean, this is quite big. I mean, just look at my hand. Look, yeah. Well, you can see how big that bad boy is. I've got that one. I've got these for the book converter, the big baby book converter. Well, it's not. Well, you wouldn't call it a big baby, would you? Call it a big book converter. Or I could use those. Could you imagine the voltage you could get? And I mean, to be fair, I mean, if you switch something into a cap, even to a high voltage cap, make it DC, which is DC anyway, the cap is, it's quite a big cap. Yeah, can't bloody see the blue thing now, look, because it's because this bit's in the way here. But yeah, it's quite a large cap. So if I have that on a book converter, I could raise 150 kV. I mean, the diode you'd want to use to block the 150 kV would be something like these, which are out of an X-ray transformer. So yeah, the possibilities are endless. What could you do? Oh, I tell you, it just overwhelms me, guys. Let me turn this round because I need to show you my face. I mean, let me just put this on auto, one sec. Yeah, that's it. That's on auto focus now. 21 minutes. I do apologise, guys. I'm nattering on. I just can't help it. I've got that much. Just comes out of me. I'm born again. But yeah, the things you can do with inductors and IGBTs, MOSFETs. You see, it's overwhelming again. You see, it's just that feeling you get where you just want to do something amazing, and you've got that many ideas in your head because there's these things that you want to do, but there's never enough time in the day because there's always something you've got to do, whether it be work, children, wife, life, COVID. You know what I mean? Well, I'm going to shut up. Please give us a thumbs up, guys. Don't forget that last video. I want 100 thumbs up on that video, or I'm not going to do the giveaway, guys. I can't. I'm sorry. I've got 9,000 subscribers, just 9,010 I think the last time I looked, and I'm only getting less than 100 thumbs up. You know, come on, guys, give that thumbs up. Even, you know, tell friends and family, share my channel, get me out there, guys. Get those 100 thumbs up, and then I'll promise you I will send free ferrites, ferrites, or some little lengths that you can super glue together. I'll send them out to you. I really will. I don't care where you are, I will send them out to you. Knowing the COVID, I'll send it out and you'll get it 14 years later. What's the saying? 14 years later. Oh God. Yeah. So yeah, I'll send it straight out to you guys. I don't care. I'll send it out, even if it costs me 100 quid to send it out to you. I will send 100 UK pounds. I will send it out to you because that's I'll do it. So the next video, I might try and get one in before Christmas. Well, we're only a few days away now, aren't we? So, or the new year, something for the new year, something pretty cool and clever. The next time I run that transformer, I'm going to run it on an IGBT, half bridge, full bridge, whatever, whichever I can get, whichever I set up first. But with UK rain and weather and cold, and to be fair, actually today it's been rather warm, which is quite strange for this time of the year. I'm going to shut up. You guys, please be careful, be safe, be happy, you know, just, and do something nice for someone. You'll feel better in yourself, seriously. So yeah, I wish you all the very best. Have a great Christmas, Merry Christmas, you know, and I wish you all the best for the year 21. And watch my videos, because I'm just gonna go. I'll just catch up with you later and fill you in on what's going off. All right, be safe, guys. All the best, guys and girls. Give us a thumbs up, comment below, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe. All right, see you later. Where's that off button again? This camera's amazing, it really is.